COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. In late 2019, a virus apparently closely related to SARS coronavirus emerged in Wuhan city of China. Coronavirus are enveloped virions that measure approximately 120 nanometer in diameter, having a club-shaped glycoprotein spikes in the envelope which give the viruses a crown-like coronal appearance. The emergence of COVID-19 may be attributed to factors such as global travel, wildlife trade, habitat fragmentation, and urbanization. Bats are the reservoir of coronavirus. SARS-CoV-2 may originate from bats or unknown intermediate hosts and cross the species barrier into humans. Virus-host interaction affect the viral entry and its replication. Virus transmitted by a respiratory route when people inhale droplets and particles that infected people release as they breathe, talk, cough, sneeze, or sing. The virus special structure glycoprotein called spike, which connects to the ACE2 receptor and enters the host cell. Loss of smell results from the infection of the spore cells of the olfactory epithelium, leading to the damage of the same. This virus can cause acute myocardial infarction and chronic damage to cardiovascular system, where ACE2 receptors are highly expressed in heart, and it affects the pulmonary circulation, heart, and kidney. The effect of the virus on ACE2 cell surface leads to leukocytic infiltration, increased blood vessel permeability, alveolar wall permeability, as well as decreased secretion of lung surfactants. These effects can cause majority of respiratory problems and aggregation of local inflammation, which causes the cytokine storm, eventually leads to systemic inflammatory response syndrome. Human-to-human transmission occur through common routes such as direct transmission, contact transmission, and airborne transmission through aerosols and during dental and medical procedures. Cough, sneeze, droplet inhalation, contact with oral, nasal, and eye mucous membrane are the common mode of spread of infection. Symptoms can range from mild to severe illness and appear 2 to 14 days after you are exposed to the virus that causes COVID-19, and the symptoms are cough, shortness of breath or difficulty in breathing, fever or chills, body ache or muscle ache, vomiting or diarrhea, and loss of taste and smell. Preventive and close measures including social distancing during the phases of the COVID-19 outbreak. Stay at least 1 meter away from people and even further when indoors. Wear a face mask around others. Avoid places that are crowded, confined, or involve close contact with others. Wash your hands regularly or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Get a COVID-19 vaccine when you are offered it. Do choose masks that have 2 or more layers of washable, breathable fabric. Completely cover your nose and mouth. Fit snugly against the sides of your face and do not have gaps. Have a nose wire to prevent air from leaking out of the top of the mask. Do not choose masks that are made of fabric that makes it hard to breathe, for example, vinyl. For COVID-19, various diagnostic tests are RT-PCR test. It detects the viral RNA antibody. It's a real-time polymerase chain reaction test is most preferred test for detecting COVID-19. It is a lab test that combines reverse transcriptase of RNA into DNA for detection of viruses. In this test, the use of throat or nose swab for the detection of viruses, and the ideal time is 48 to 72 hours. Rapid antigen test detects the antibodies and viral proteins. It is a diagnostic test which is suitable for point-of-care testing that directly detects the presence or absence of an antigen. The result is very quick and can be reported within 15 to 30 minutes. These test kits can potentially be a game changer in COVID-19 management in India. It can cut the queue in lab, reduce the cost, and provide quick results within 15 minutes. And this was first approved in US last November. Equitable access to safe and effective vaccines is critical to ending the COVID-19 pandemic, so it is hugely encouraging to see so many vaccines proving and going into the development. Covaxin has been developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited in association with Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Virology, where Covishield has been developed by the Oxford AstraZeneca and is being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. It has been prepared using the viral vector platform, which is totally a different technology. 196 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine has been given in India. More than 42 million people have received 2 doses of the vaccine. Sputnik 5 vaccine has been given emergency use authorization in India. In India, the Russian vaccine will be produced by Dr. Reddy Laboratories. Instead of waiting for COVID-19 to go away, let's face this new reality and see what silver linings lay ahead. Thank you.